Hi friends, this video shows how to transfer photos and videos from the Samsung Galaxy mobile phone to USB pen drive or flash drive. First we need an adapter like this. This is type C to USB adapter. In this adapter we can connect a USB pen drive. So let me connect this USB pen drive in this adapter. We can connect like this. Then we can connect this end of this adapter to mobile phone. Let me connect to this mobile phone. Okay, done, connected. After that we need to open my files app. Tap on my files app. Then here we can see the USB storage. So this phone has detected this USB pen drive, so that is why it's showing USB storage 1. You can see the total size here, 7 GB, 7.45 GB. Tap here, then you would be able to see the files inside this USB pen drive. Now we are seeing files inside this USB pen drive. Okay, so next I will show you how we can copy one photo or video from this mobile phone to this USB pen drive. So let me close this, then again open my files app, then go to downloads. From downloads folder I am going to copy one file. I am going to copy this image. Select the image which we need to copy, then tap on this copy, tap here. So now I have copied that image. So next I need to paste that image into USB pen drive. Go back, then from here select USB storage. So I need to paste here. Here you can see copy here. Tap on copy here. Done. So now I have successfully copied that image from mobile phone to this USB pen drive. From here we can open that image. See, if you have copied video, from here you can play that video. So if you want to delete this image from this USB pen drive, you can delete from here. Just select the image, then tap on delete, then select image, tap on delete. So this way we can delete files from USB pen drive. Okay, so if you want to remove this USB pen drive, first we have to unmount. So that is a safe way to remove the pen drive. Here you can see 3 dots. Tap here, then tap on unmount. Done. USB storage 1 unmounted. Now we can safely remove this adapter and USB pen drive from the mobile phone. Done. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.